So it's not like I never done tires before. Actually, 20 years ago, and he knows. 20 years ago, I actually worked for a tire shop just to get the experience and just to get hands-on and know how it is actually in simple to do tires. But that was 20 years ago, working on thicker tires, not low-profile tires like these. Now we're working on low-profile tires and more sensitive, delicate wheels, such as the Porsche wheels, the Mclaren wheels, or the SVJ wheels. Joe, my brother, he's actually told me how to operate his toys, so I can't wait to put my hands on them. Shall we? So this is the stem valve screwdriver or stem valve remover. What it does is it will remove the stem valve completely. The stem valve, what it does is restricts the air from going out when you start blowing it in. You just unscrew it. There you go. Probably need this at home for my girlfriend. First things first, what we do is just break the tire off of the wheel. Excuse the loud noises. Okay, bud. You don't put the bead around the sensor area. You have to stay away so you don't damage the sensor. Okay? You do this side first. You do this side second. I heard him. What he's saying is like when you start breaking the tire from the wheel, the reason why we say breaking is because when the tire is in a locked position with the wheels, it means it's adapt or it's mounted to the rim of the wheel itself, which you will see right now. Then bring it to 12 o'clock or past 12 o'clock. Arm. Okay. Down. Okay. And then plug this in. Okay. And this is down. This is down to the piston right here. Now the piston gonna bring this down to get the tire, suck it out. But it puts on the grease, it makes it easier. It puts on the grease. It's better on P0s to lubricate them. Okay? It's better. But sometimes these break is because of the amount of pressure of these low-profile tires. An angle, and then bring it down, and look what happens when it goes down. Okay, you have to go under, bring it down. Watch the fingers. Okay, so P0's a little tricky. Okay, make sure this is down. Okay, wait. So you have to have some kind of stroke, enough stroke to bring this down. Okay, lock. Then you go up. But always when you do this, you make sure this is under the beam. Got it. Okay? You have leverage. A third of this gotta go under the beam. So you can have more leverage. Then move. Okay? Now you lift it up. Okay. Remember, stroke. Take a note when you go home to your girlfriend. Okay? You put it out, and you stick it out, and look, now it's gonna get it out, and you turn it away from the sensor. You turn it away from the sensor. Okay, there you go. Now it's working. Okay, now pull it out. Look, see what happens? But you have to lubricate the arms. I think the arms.
We need to put the.
You have to lubricate them. Okay. Okay, now. No. This is different. This is different. Okay, this is different because you don't have pressure. The only way to do this because it's squished. Okay, when you turn it, you hold it like this. You turn it. Go back to where you want it. Okay, this is out. You bring the new one
What is a new one?
So now we have to know which side is which. You have to match actually the side of the wall, right?
Yes, they're directional. You have left and right. The tire is different. It's gonna say out. This is always out.
This is always out.
Yeah.
Do you like these tires better than the T ones, or?
The cups too, yes. They're better than the Corsairs.
Do you think the adhesive of the tape will actually cause any like air seepage or?
Yeah, if you leave, no. Doesn't matter what you leave in there. As long as the bead, as long as the finish of the bead is smooth. Okay, because sometimes you have corrosion or the factory leaves a lot of the orange peels or dirty. That's where they leak from right here. So this is not bad, okay? Now, you lubricate the bead on the tires like that. Okay. So this is soap. Okay. Do that real quick. And now, of course, this is the outside. You mount the outside, and the inside goes on the inside. Okay. So the ugly lettering, the ugly lettering always go on the inside. The pretty one always go on the outside. Okay. Inside and outside. Now you release that one, put that one back. Okay. You turn this away from the sensor. You put in the tire for the sensor in first. You don't damage the sensor. It costs you a few $100. And then you go turn it back to where the sensor is. It has to go clock. Okay, you bring the arm down. You set it here. Okay, you don't mess with any of these. Always let it be free so you can have enough stroke. Now you come here and you bring this Amigo right here. It helps a lot. Okay, by keeping the tire sidewall in place. Okay, you turn it until it locks in a little bit. You bring the assistant arm right here, which is not as sexy as you think. No, you move you move, that's it, it's locked. You don't put no hand, nothing. Okay, okay. Now, you see how this gotta go under the bead? Once it goes under the bead, you release the pressure, and you turn it like that, boom. Stay away from the sensor, you get this one off. Okay. This is for now. You bring air. Airy in Arabic means airy.
Nice.
What's that? And that's the compressor, you will hear it. As soon as you put air in it, it's gonna go boom.
Like the Brazilian way.
Don't put your hand in the bead, on the side. This is a weak air, very weak.
Yeah, it's going better.
Okay, now it's coming.
Yeah.
Now, let me show you something. Come here. As soon as the pressure starts to build, you turn this away from you so you don't get splashed with the white stuff. The bottom one's gonna pump first. And now, see? Bottom and top. And sometimes it's gonna splash your rear leg. That's coming. This is nothing. These zeros are a lot louder. Since this is out, you put more than 48 psi, so air enough to be in it. That's something that's safe. Put it in. Put about 35, that's 40. There. Okay. Then you release this, quick release. You push in and out. Put that in there like this. You need to organize the shit. Now, this is out. Now, before it goes to the balancer, you remove all the old weight.